Fit Food Fast on a Cup of Joe as we have our health coach Paola Henderson joining us again. And Paola did crackers and cheese this morning every week Paola passes by, she gives us such important little tips and tricks that you can try in your kitchen to make things a little healthier for you.
Yeah.
How is crackers?
Yes.
Crackers is healthy?
Yeah, well, these ones are,
These ones are
I don't
a
know
healthier
if you,
version?
Yes. I don't know if you remember the episode that we did making almond milk.
I did.
Right.
I remember.
So ever since then, it has been bothering me that what do I do with the pulp of the almond? So
right,
this,
after you squeeze.
So this is what we squeeze the milk, and this is the pulp. This is the remaining pulp. And it's kind of like a dough, right?
Oh, so this remained from the almond?
This is remained from the almond. So I said, oh my gosh, what to do with this? Besides making almond butter with it, but what to do with this pulp? So one day I went into my kitchen and I said, okay, let me experiment with it. So I basically just took the pulp and I added just a little bit of garlic and some sea salt, some black pepper, some parsley. I added some chia seeds, and I also blended. I don't have the food processor here, but I blended some pumpkin seeds and some pimentos. You could either put the pumpkin seeds in there, and then I just gave it a good mix in the food processor, and basically it came out like this.
Like that.
So I took a sheet pan and rolled it out, poked a little bit of holes like this with my fork to get some air space in there, and baked it. And if you could see, it comes out like crackers. So I actually have one in the oven.
So out of almond milk?
Out of the almond milk, the almond flour, and you just get this beautiful cracker that you could serve nicely when you have friends over, or if you want to do dips, anything like that,
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Yeah, just a nice rough cracker.
It's just a nice rough cracker, but it does the trick. Instead of going for crackers that have added ingredients and things like that this is something that is made at home, and it actually lasts quite a while without any preservatives. But it doesn't last because we eat them all.
So this is almost like an almond cracker.
Yeah, so this is really good, especially when you are doing dips to add on, instead of that's gluten free and it's light and it's guilt free, without the added flour or preservatives or different oils, and that's it.
But this is almost too good to be true. This is amazing.
Yes, and then you can flavor it to whatever it is that you want. If you want to add a little spice in it, if you want to add different types of herbs.
Basil.
Exactly. Even if you want to make it into a sweeter version and add maybe some honey or some dried fruits and do it, So really and truly, you can just experiment at home. I've given you the starter, the basics, and you can make your own crackers without depending on shelf-bought crackers.
Crackers. She's cracking good this morning. And crackers and some Parmesan cheese, and Paola Henderson giving us another little tip that you can try at home. Make your own crackers, as simple as that. And she used leftover almond pulp.
Yeah.
Basically.
Yeah.
Wow.
I'm sure we could do it with the coconut pulp, and you just name it with any seed pulp as well. If you're blending that.
You didn't want to waste that pulp.
No.
Yeah, it hurts to throw that away.
Yeah, because the goodness is in there, right? So you don't want to throw it away, so you could create something like this.
Like that. Thank you very much, Paola.
Yes,
Paola
no
dropping
problem.
by again every Tuesday morning here on the show to give us a little health tip just to get us in that healthy frame of mind as you go into your kitchen. Try these tips at home, folks. Trust me, our health coach, she knows what she's talking about. Taking a short break, folks. More Fit Food Fast right after this.